So guys, how's it been? It's been a while. I haven't really posted anything. But anyways, I'm working on the truck today. You can see alright. Doing the alternator. I'm not going to do an install video because I'm pretty sure people have seen those. But I'm going to do the alternator. I actually wanted to do an update on some fog lights that I have too. And but yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna get this stuff done, and we'll get to it right now. Boom, done just like that. Got it in. I put a new belt on. I did not realize that the AC down there had its own belt, so kind of messed up. Should have taken the opportunity to replace that as well. Oh well, no big deal. Getting this ready because next week on Saturday, on the 22nd, we are taking a trip down to Oklahoma City. We're going to go pick up my daughter. Her mom and I had talked, and she said she would meet me halfway because my daughter really wants to come up for Christmas. And I've been so broke, I haven't been able to, get anything going. So she said she'd do that. We can make it work. Got the truck, alternator. I really need to get a new one of these filters one of these days, but I gotta wait for the money because these are like $60. And yes, it's a K&N. No, it's not a red filter. One shop was telling me, you need to replace your filter, it's black. Well, it's supposed to be black. It's just a little dirty, but it's okay still. So anyways, I got that done. I gotta throw that. Where'd it go? I gotta throw that on top of the engine. And after I get all this cleaned up, I'm gonna show you about the fog lights that I wanted to show you guys. I don't have my old ones out here to show you a comparison. So anyways, see you guys again in a second. Alright guys, so I got these fog lights back I think it was February. I was wanting to put them on a different, I think it was a truck. But anyways, this Woody's, I don't know if it's zoomed in or not, sorry if that's not clear. It's Woody's Accessories, and as you can see, it's a pretty bright light. Now I used to have some like 6 LED, same brand. It's a 9 LED on this one, and they're freaking bright. Let me turn them on real quick. You should be able to tell the difference. My LED headlights are off. Those are the headlights, and those are the fogs. Turn the headlights off. Fogs. They're freaking bright. Check this out. Ooh, like a freaking mini sun. I'm surprised I don't get brighted all the time. But anyways, I wanted to do an update on that. I hadn't done it. I love them. Any of you guys that got a truck, look for the Woody's. You might have to go online. Woody's Accessories, and get these things. The 9 LED, they're freaking awesome. I love them. I gotta upgrade my headlights too eventually, but for now, that'll do. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like. Please like, subscribe, and I'm out. So adios.